फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपको बताऊंगी कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ साइकोलॉजी सब्जेक्ट के जो आपकी टर्म 1 की प्रिपरेशन के लिए आपको हेल्प कर सकते हैं। दिस इज़ द पार्ट 3। पार्ट 1 एंड पार्ट 2 हमारे चैनल में ऑलरेडी अपलोड हो चुका है। अगर आप हमारे चैनल में नए हैं तो पार्ट 1 एंड पार्ट 2 देखें, देन यहाँ से कंटिन्यू करें। स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आपको सीबीएसई के कुछ रूल्स बता देती हूँ टर्म 1 की प्रिपरेशन के लिए। जैसे कि आप सबको पता है कि इस बार हमारे 2 बोर्ड होने वाले हैं, टर्म 1 एंड टर्म 2। टर्म 1 हमारा ओवरऑल एमसीक्यू होगा। इसमें हमारे क्या क्या आएंगे मैं आपको बता देती हूँ। एजर्शन बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस भी आएंगे, केस स्टडी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस भी आएंगे एंड पिक्चर्स बेस्ड क्वेश्चन भी आएंगे। केस स्टडी बेस्ड इट मीन्स कि हमें एक अनसीन पैसेज दिया जाएगा, अब हमें उसमें से आंसर्स ढूंढने हैं। इट मीन्स केस स्टडी दे दी और उसके बाद हमें क्वेश्चंस दे दिए उसके अंदर से, एंड देन हमें उसमें से आंसर ढूंढने कि इसका आंसर कौन सा होगा, ठीक है। और पिक्चर्स बेस्ड क्वेश्चन का मतलब है कि हमें एक पिक्चर दे दी, ठीक है। मैं आपको साइकोलॉजी के एक एग्जांपल दे देती हूँ। जैसे हमें साइकोलॉजी के पेपर में एक पिक्चर दे दी और उसमें से हमें क्वेश्चन दे दिया कि ये कौन सा टेस्ट है, हमें बताना है। तो ऑप्शंस दे दिए गए, जैसे थैमेटिक एप्रिशिएशन टेस्ट है, साइकोलॉजिकल टेस्ट है, तो जो राइट आंसर होगा हमें उसमें चूज़ करना है। तो ये पिक्चर्स बेस्ड ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आएंगे। तो 1 एंड 20 जो है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 तक हमारा पार्ट 1 में ऑलरेडी मैंने अपलोड कर चुका है, एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 40 ये हमारा पार्ट 2 में मैंने अपलोड कर चुका है, ठीक है। मैं आपका इसका लिंक जो है मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूँगी अगर आपने अभी तक नहीं देखा है। यहाँ पे मैं आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 41 टू 60 तक क्वेश्चंस करवाऊँगी। इसमें आपके केस स्टडी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन भी होंगे, पिक्चर्स बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस भी होंगे एंड एजर्शन रीजंस भी क्वेश्चन होंगे, ताकि आपकी टर्म 1 की प्रिपरेशन के लिए आपको एक आइडिया पता लग जाए कि किस तरह से हमारे क्वेश्चन आने वाले हैं। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Question number 41. Self-concept is the way we perceive ourselves and the ideas we hold about our competences and attributes. Reasoning. Parents who make decisions for their children when they do not need assistance others suffer from low self-esteem. Options are both A and R true, and R is the correct explanation of A. A is true but R is false. A is false but R is true. Both A and R true, and R is not the correct explanation of A. So the right answer is option D. Both A and R true, and R is not the correct explanation of A. Question number 42. Dileep experiences mood swings and erratic feelings due to the stress he is facing. This refers to the dash effect of stress. Options are psychological, behavioral, cognitive, emotional. So the right answer is option D, emotional. Question number 43. Aisha focuses on her priorities, plans her work, and schedules her time effectively. This is suggestive of the dash coping strategy. Options are emotional focused, avoidance oriented, task oriented, emotional oriented. So the right answer is option C, task oriented. Question number 44. Which of the following statement is a part of the stress process as explained by Lazarus cognitive theory? 1. An individual response to a stressful situation largely depends upon the perceived events and how they are interpreted. Second, regardless of the cause of the threat, the individual will respond with the same psychological pattern of reaction. When we perceive an event as negative, we are likely to make a second appraisal. Primary appraisal refers to the perception of a new or changing environment as positive, neutral or negative in its consequences. तो हमें इसमें से चूज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, हमें ऑप्शन चुनने कि इसमें से कौन सा जो है वो ट्रू है। सो सेकंड, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ, सेकंड एंड थर्ड, वन थर्ड एंड फोर्थ, सेकंड. So the right answer is option C, 1, 3rd and 4th. Question number 45. The following are true about stress and the immune system. First, Stress can cause illness by impairing the workings of the immune system. The immune system functions to guard the body against attackers, both from within and outside. Increased level of natural killer cell cytotoxicity have been found in people who are highly stressed. Studies reveal that immune function is better in individuals who do not receive social support. इसमें भी हमारी चूज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन आएगा, इसमें हमें करेक्ट ऑप्शन चुनना पड़ेगा. इट मीन्स कौन सा सही है. वन वन सेकेंड एंड थर्ड, वन थर्ड एंड फोर्थ, वन एंड सेकेंड. सो द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, वन एंड सेकेंड. Question number 46. Assertion. Many of us drive ourselves relentlessly towards achieving unrealistic and high standards in achieving our goals. This is a source of psychological stress. Reason. Conflicts stem from beliefs based on expectation from inside us to ourselves. Options are both and are true and R is not the correct explanation of A. Both and are true and but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is true, R is false, A is false, R is true. So the right answer is option C, A is true, R is false. Question number 47. Assertion. People with high levels of stress but low levels of illness share three characteristics which are referred to as the personality traits of hardiness. Reason. Hardiness consists of the three C's, that is commitment, control and challenge. Options are both A and are true, but R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is true, R is false, A is false, R is true. So the right answer is option A. Both A and are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 48. Assertion is overcoming unhelpful habits like procrastination is a life skill that enables individuals to deal effectively with challenges of everyday life. Reason is factors that act as stress buffers and facilitate positive health are diet, exercise, positive attitude and positive thinking. Options are both and are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Both and are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is true, R is false, A is false, R is true. So the right answer is option B. Both and are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. अब इट मीन्स सेक्शन सी आ गया है. ठीक है, ये हमारा केस स्टडी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है. सो मैं आपको पहले एक बार ये पूरा पैसेज पढ़ लेती हूँ, फिर जो मैं क्वेश्चंस पढ़ूँगी एंड देन उसके ऑप्शन दे होंगे, उसमें से हमें चूज़ करना है. तो केस स्टडी ये है. दिस इज़ द स्टोरी ऑफ थ्री स्टडीज़, रूबी, राधिका एंड शंकर, who were enrolled in an undergraduate psychology program in a university. Ruby was the admission officer's dream. She was selected for the program as she had perfect entrance test scores, outstanding grades, and excellent letters of recommendation. But when it was time for Ruby to start coming up with ideas of her own, she disappointed her professors. On the other hand, Radhika did not meet the admission officer's expectations. She had good grades but low entrance exam scores. However, her letters of recommendation described her as a creative young woman. She could decide and implement research work with minimal guidance at college. Shankar ranked somewhere in between the two students. He was satisfactory on almost every traditional measure of success. But rather than falling somewhere in the middle of his class at college, Shankar proved to be an outstanding student. His strength lay in the ability to not only adapt well to the demands of his new environment, but also to modify the environment to suit his needs. सो अब हमें अपनी केस स्टडी पढ़ लिया. अब इसमें से हमें क्वेश्चन दिए जाएंगे एंड हमें आंसर चुनना है. आइडेंटिफाई द थ्योरी ऑफ इंटेलिजेंस विच बेस्ट एक्सप्लेन्स द इंटेलिजेंस ऑफ ऑल द थ्री स्टूडेंट्स इन द स्टोरी. ऑप्शंस आर वन फैक्टर थ्योरी, थ्योरी ऑफ प्राइमरी मेंटल एबिलिटीज, hierarchical model of intelligence, triadic theory of intelligence. So the right answer is option D, triadic theory of intelligence. Question number 50. Identify the type of intelligence Ruby possesses. Options are practical, componential, linguistic, experiential. So the right answer is option B, componential. Question number 51. Which of the following statement is not true about Radhika's intelligence? Options are people high on this quickly find out which information is crucial in a given situation. It is also called experiential intelligence. It involves modifying the environment to suit the needs. It reflects in creative performance. So the right answer is option C. It involves modifying the environment to suit the needs. Question number 52. Assertion आ गया. Assertion it is Shankar is not high in contextual intelligence. Reason Shankar was good at adapting well to the demands of his new environment and modifying the environment to suit his needs. So the options are both A and R true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and A are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is true, but R is false. A is false, but R is true. So the right answer is option D. A is false, but R is true. It means assertion wrong है and reason सही है. Question number 53. Out of the 3 students mentioned in the story, who is more likely to be a successful entrepreneur? Options are Radhika and Shankar, Ruby and Radhika, Shankar. So the right answer is option D, Shankar. Question number 54. Identify the 3 components of intelligence that Ruby is high on. Options are knowledge acquisition, meta creativity, knowledge acquisition, meta performance, knowledge acquisition, meta planning, performance and adaptability. So the right answer is option B, knowledge acquisition, meta and performance. Question number 55. दिस इज़ द पिक्चर बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. ओके, तो हमें पिक्चर दे दी एंड हमें उसमें आंसर बताना है कि ये कौन सा टेस्ट है. Question number 55. Which type of personality assessment is being depicted in the above picture? Options are projective technique, psychometric test, behavioral analysis, self-report measures. So the right answer is option A, projective technique. Question number 56. Which is not following is not a characteristic of this event? Options are it reveals the unconscious mind, it can be conducted only on an individual basis, its interpretation is objective, the stimuli are unstructured. So the right answer is option C, its interpretation is objective. Question number 57. Identify the name of the test फ्रॉम द ऑप्शंस गिवन बिलो. अब हमें इसमें टेस्ट बताना है कि ये कौन सा टेस्ट है जो हमें पिक्चर में दिया गया है. ऑप्शंस आर थेमेटिक एप्रिशिएशन टेस्ट, थेमेटिक अपर्सेप्शन टेस्ट. आप स्पेलिंग नोट कीजिए कि ऊपर एप्रिशिएशन लिखा है एंड द ऑप्शन बी में अपर्सेप्शन लिखा है. ऑप्शन सी थिएटर एप्रिशिएशन टेस्ट, ऑप्शन डी थिएटर appreciation test. So the right answer is option B, thematic apperception test. Question number 58. Which of the following statements are not true of this test? Options are: in this first phase called performance proper, the subjects are shown the cards and are asked to tell what they see in each of them. Second, the second phase is called inquiry. Third, each picture's card depicts one or more people in a variety of situations. Fourth, the subject is asked to tell a story describing the situation presented in the picture. Okay, तो हमें इसमें से करेक्ट ऑप्शन चुनना है. 1 and 2, 3rd and 4th, 1st, 2nd and 3rd, 2nd and 4th. So the right answer is option A, 1 and 2nd. Question number 59. Which of the following is not a drawback of this test? Options are: it requires sophisticated skills and specialized training, it has problems associated with reliability of scoring, it has problems associated with validity of interpretation, it is an indirect measure of assessment. So the right answer is option D, it is an indirect measure of assessment. Question number 60. This is the last question. Identify the stimuli that are used in such kinds of tests as given in the above picture. Stories, cartoons, ink blocks, picture cards. So the right answer is option D, picture cards. So thank you for seeing this video. I hope you all like the video. वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें, ताकि आगे अगर कोई भी वीडियो है तो आपसे मिस ना हो। एंड आपको मैं दोबारा बता दूं, दिस इज़ द पार्ट 3। अब हमारा पार्ट 1, पार्ट 2 एंड पार्ट 3 केवल 3 ही थे इसके साइकोलॉजी टेस्ट के। पार्ट 1 एंड पार्ट 2 मैंने ऑलरेडी अपलोड कर चुका है, मैं एक बार डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी दे दूँगी, आप उसमें से देख लेना। सो थैंक यू फॉर सीइंग दिस वीडियो। हैव अ नाइस डे।